Model, 2016 VAUXHALL VIVARO TRAFIC PRIMASTAR 1 diesel 27001.6CDTI 115PS Sportive H1 van spares OR repairs bargain. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 89,585. MOT, 3 March 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6115 PSE5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner, engine has seized, will need repairing or replacing, gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary, bodywork is below average. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,525. Click the link in the description for pictures,